So hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, I will show you how you can perform the scanning of your Maven project based on the token. Now, if you don't have the login and the password and if you want to go with the token based authentication and if you want to scan your project, then how you can do that? I want to bind my project, whatever I have created in the SonarQube, in the password. Now I want to create a project, okay, here. So I just want to create a project, so you can see the create a project. So this you will see when you have any project. So first let me delete this project, then we will see the fresh system. So I just deleted the earlier project. Now you can see, you will see the screen like that. Okay, you don't have any project here. Now I want to create a new project here. So the project you can create using the Azure DevOps, Cloud, GitHub, GitLab. That we will see in upcoming videos, but here we are working with the local setup. So now I want to create a local project. So I just click on the local project. I will provide the name of the project as a test bind and a branch will be the main. Now coming to the next. Now here you will see the set of the project clean as you go code. Okay, so here choose the baseline for the new code, use the global settings and you can define the specific settings for this project. We need to use the global settings. Okay, any code that has changed since the previous version is considered as a new code. So select these options, use the global settings, then create a project. Now here you can see the project is created. You can see the project is created already. So now I want to click on the locally here, and after that you will see the provide a token. So here you need to provide a token. So generate a project specific token. Now what are the tokens, different type of the token, that let me show you. Go to your username, my account, under the security you can generate the different type of the token. Okay, so there are the three type of the token: project based, global based and the user token. The project based token will use to validate this specific project only, that we are going to do here. Global means it is a global token that will be used for all the projects that we are going to scan and perform the analysis. User token means that is going to validate a particular user. All right, so here we have the token, project token. We need to create a project token. So generate a project token and the expiring the 30 days. So let me generate a token. So you can see this is the token. Now let me copy and paste the token in my notepad. So when you create the token, you just save the token. Now click on the continue. Now here it will ask you to run analysis on your project. So Maven, Gradle, .NET and other. So we are working with the Maven project. So I will select the Maven, and after that you will see this command. So you need to run this command to perform the token based authentication. So I will copy this command and paste it in my notepad. So now you can see I just paste in my notepad, and after that I will go to my IntelliJ. So here let me remove my login based credentials. So I will just remove this one and I'll save my POM.xml file. If their login based is there, then how we can know the token based authentication is working or not, right? So we have just removed the login and the password over here. Alright, so now we need to perform the token based authentication. So again we will go to the Maven. So here the Maven is there. Now here we have the terminal. So now click on the Maven. Okay, we just click on the Maven. Now start the terminal, and in the terminal you just paste your command, whatever command you copy from the SonarQube server, and then press enter. Now let's see this time what will happen. So this time the project name will change because we have created the project key as a test bind. This time we will not see the project as a test SonarQube. Whatever project we have created in the SonarQube server, the project name is the test bind. So you can see the test bind project is there. So as of now there is no analysis report over here. If you go to the projects, now the analysis is done. So if I go to the ID, it is loading the active roles and it is performing the analysis over here, right? So it is performing the analysis. Now the build failure. Now why the build failure? The analysis is done. So if you come here the SonarQube server and if you see this project and if you refresh the project, within 3 or 5 seconds the report will be come here. Alright, so after 5 to 10 seconds, if you refresh the server, you will see the project report is there. Now you can see this, the quality gate is passed. Okay, 60 line of the code is there. This is snapshot, and you can see all the issues. So earlier we have seen the 11, so same issues we have got here. Okay, and if you go to the issue sections, it will give you the same issues, whatever we have done through the login based credentials. Now if you see the code over there, you will get the code. Now coming to IntelliJ, why the build getting failed? Okay, so the build getting failed is because it is showing the unknown lifecycle phase slash. We are using the slash, okay, here the slash. So if you remove the slash one by one and if you run this command, alright, so we just remove all the slash. So mvn clean verify sonar colon sonar. This sonar project key is the test bind. The project key should be the same whatever project you have created in the SonarQube server. This is the SonarQube server project we have created, and we have provided the project key. So if I go to the project general setting, so if I go to the project information, so you can see the project key is the test bind. So the same project key you need to provide here, right? You need to provide here. Okay, again I have to remove everything. Okay, the same project key I have provided here. The project name you can also choose, and then the sonar.token. So you need to provide the token here, sonar.token value, and this is the host URL. You need to provide that one, and now enter. So when you enter, the scanning and the analysis will start. You can see the scanning for the project is going on. Now you can see this time we got the build success, because that time we were getting the slash that was not the lifecycle phase. So this time the build is successful. Directly you can access this project from this link. Okay, and if you are getting this error, because this is the warning, this is not the error, because we don't have set up a git project, so that's why we don't have the git repository information over there. So later videos we will cover this one also. So like that you can mention the token based authentications in there. Now what if I don't have the token based authentication command? I want to run the Maven sonar colon sonar. So in that case you need to provide all these details in the properties sections. So you need to add these details here, and under the properties you need to provide the token value. This is my latest token value for this project. So I will copy this token and I will replace here in the sonar token. And what is my project key? Test bind. Project name test bind. Same. I will save it, and then if I go to the command prompt, and now this time I am running only the sonar colon sonar. Now just enter. If you are mentioning the sonar.token in your POM.properties file, you can mention and you can perform the analysis of your Maven project like that. You don't need to provide the login in the password credentials. You can also do the token based authentications, and you can perform the analysis for your project. So last analysis 1 minute ago. So quality gate failed. So if I go to the issue section, so why this failed? The conditions, new issue failed, the issue accepted issues, overall within the new issues. So you can see security. Make sure the SonarQube token gets revoked, changed and removed from the code. So this time also we got some security hotspot. You can see this is the issue, because the SonarQube token, the token which we have created here, the token get expired within the 30 days. Okay, that's why it is showing this is the issue. So this is the project, this got failed, last analysis and everything you will get here. So in this video till now we have covered the token based authentications. So in next video we will see how we can perform the test coverage. Okay, we want to perform the test coverage, how much coverage we have through the test automation, and that we want to publish. So just keep watching the next videos and you will get the idea how you can perform the coverage of your code.